Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change your name on Threads, and here's how it is done. Start by launching the Threads app on your device. Once it is open, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After opening your profile, you will see your current name displayed. This name is linked to your Instagram account. To edit your profile, look for the Edit Profile button. It usually has a small lock icon next to it. Tap it to begin making changes. Here's the important part. Your name in Threads is directly linked to your Instagram account, meaning you cannot change it directly within the Threads app. This is a decision made by the teams at Instagram, Facebook, and Threads, but we will show you how to update it. Once you understand the linkage, press Done at the top right corner of the screen to go back to your profile page. You will see the Instagram icon at the top right. Tap it to proceed. Tapping the Instagram icon will take you to your Instagram profile page. Here, select the Edit Profile option to start making changes. In the Edit Profile section, you will find a field labeled Name. This is where you can make changes to your name. Make the changes you want to your name in the Instagram app. Once you are done, save the changes. The moment you update your name on Instagram, it will automatically reflect in Threads as well. The Instagram ensures your name stays consistent across both platforms. There is no option to have a different name on each platform. That is everything you need to know about how to change your name on Threads. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.